Hi everyone. So this is my first video. I'll be solving a leap code question. So the question is minimum area rectangle. So given a set of points in xy plane, determine the minimum area of a rectangle formed from these points with the side parallel to the x and y axis. If there isn't any rectangle, then return 0. So this is the input. For clarity, I have plotted this point on a graph. So this is how it looks, right? So the question is, we need to see if these points are forming a rectangle, and we need to find the minimum area. So first, let's see how can we tell this points are forming a rectangle. So you can basically check if these points are forming a rectangle by just checking if there exist two diagonals which are like parallel to x and y axis. So taking this point and comparing it with this, so these 2 points are not diagonal. How? Because here let's consider this as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Here y1 is equal to y2, so this is not a diagonal. If we take this point, you can see x1 is not equal to y1, x1 is not equal to x2, and y1 is not equal to y2. So this is a diagonal. So when we get these 2 points, we need to find two more points which are making a diagonal. So to find that, you need to check if uh, either it is x2 y1 or it is x1 y2. So this is how you will check if there exists a rectangle. And once you find a rectangle, just need to find the area of it, and you can also check if that area is the minimum area in the graph. So let's start with the code. I will start with the hash map, and hash map will have a integer as key. That key will be the x coordinate, and the rest will be other coordinates related to it. So let's say this is a map, and hash map. All right. Now what I will do it, I will just iterate through the points and points, and I will check if so I'll check if my map does not contain key, which is p0. So p0 is basically the x coordinate. I will just check if my map contains the x coordinate. If it doesn't, then I will add map dot put p0, which is x, and a new hash set. And I will explain it later why I have taken a hash set here. Now once I have initialized with the hash set, I will just put it I'm sorry, I will just first get the x coordinate, and I will add the y coordinate to it. So y coordinate is p1. Now after I'm done inserting values in the map, I will just iterate through the points. So I is equal to 0, I should be less than points dot length, and I plus plus, and I need to run one more loop. So first loop will basically iterate through the point, and second loop will compare with the adjacent point, I plus 1, and j should be less than the length, and j plus plus. Now if if my, let's say, points I, let's first keep it in a variable. So let's x1 be equal to points I 0, and y1 is equal to points I 1. Then I will do the same for finding x2 and y2. So it just will be j, and so now we need to check the first condition. And what was the first condition? It was if x1 should not be equal to x2, and y1 should not be equal to y2. Once this condition is satisfied, we got the two coordinates. Now we do, and two coordinates which are diagonal. So now we need to find other two coordinate which will make another diagonal. So for that, I will check if my map dot get the x coordinate. Let's take x1 contains y2 contains y1, and map get x2 that contains sorry, this will be y2 and this will be y1. So if this condition satisfied, then you have found the rectangle. Now you just need to find the minimum area. So to find the minimum area, I am initializing this with the max value, and area is equal to math.min math.min of area. Now we will we'll find the area of the rectangle, which will be absolute value of x1 minus x2 multiplied by absolute value of y1 minus y2. Right, now I just need to return the area, but before returning the area you have to see this condition. If there isn't any rectangle, return 0. So to check that, I can just return area if it is equal to this value, integer max value, which we initialized earlier. If my area is not changed, that means I haven't found any rectangle, so I will return 0. Otherwise I will return the area. Cool, let's run this. Looks good. Let's submit this solution. That works. So guys, let me know if you have any doubts in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.